Hello everyone, this is Hersa. In this video, I will compare Monday.com and LemPlates with a practical demonstration. The main goal of templates and checklist is to standardize the process so work will become faster and with the fewer mistakes. So today, I will build a same checklist in both Monday.com and as well as the LemPlates and compare their usability and then explain which tool is better for teams. So now let me define what is a template before I begin. First of all, I'll create a simple checklist called client onboarding checklist. The steps will include like collect client details, send welcome email, then create project folder and then assign a team members, then start the project. So now I'll be on the monday.com. Let me click on this. Let me get started. Okay. Now I will click on monday.com's dashboard. Then I will add a new board. Then continue the process. Let me continue with all the onboarding process. Okay. Finally, the monday.com page is logged in. Client onboarding. Let me click on next. 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 Let me get started. So now I'm in my dashboard. So now I'll add a step like here. Let me add a view. I can also add a table, chart, calendar, and a document as well. I will now create from the beginning. So I'll click on this. I'll start from the beginning like in project. Let me keep this as this. New project. Write this as like name it as client onboarding checklist. Product launch. Okay. Let me create. I can also create it manually as well. Let me create a project. So then here I can add each step as a new row. As we can see here, like a new group, I can add a new task for here, new one here, and a new group here. Like new groups will be added. I can also add in a column here. I can add a row as well as a column both. Like the status can be like the status, like if it is like pending, already done, onboarded, owner, timeline. So each checklist item becomes a task with the tracking fields. Now I can assign team members, track progress, and add deadlines as well. Monday.com is designed as a visual project and management tool with boards, dashboards, and automation. It also supports automations and integrations to reduce manual work. However, setup reusable checklist may require duplicating boards or templates manually. So let us build in LemPlates. Now I'll switch to LemPlates. In LemPlates, let me create a template. So now let me add a new template. So for that, let me do it from the scratch. Now I will add the title as client onboarding, the same as it is client onboarding checklist. Then I'll add steps like collect client details, send welcome email, then design project folder, assign team members, then start the project, and then I'll just click on save. I will need to add one step name like collect client details. Then I can even add a field over here, a long field, add the name over here, the field name. I can add one more thing. I can generate it with AI. Then I can save this. Now this is a structure checklist template. I can run this as well. Yeah, I can reuse it instantly, assign it to workflows, track execution. Also, LemPlate supports templates, reuse, marketplace for ready workflows. So instead of managing tasks like a project, LemPlate focuses on executing repeatable workflows. Like if we talk about the comparison, now let's compare both tools. If the term is speed to create, Monday.com requires setting up boards, columns, and structures. LemPlates is faster for direct checklist creation and easy of reuse. Monday.com templates often need duplication. Templates, I mean, the templates in LemPlates is built for instant reuse across workflows. And if it's about the template library, Monday.com has many templates for project management. LemPlates focuses on workflow templates and SOP execution. Both tools are useful depending on the use cases. Like Monday.com is best for project management, team collaboration, visual tracking and dashboards, SOP execution, standardized processes. If you need flexible project tracking, Monday.com is a great choice. But if your goal is to execute workflows faster with the consistency, and the templates is the best option. So that's comparison between the Monday.com and templates. Thank you for watching.